Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share your screen on the Zoom Workplace mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Zoom app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, join a meeting or start your own by tapping New Meeting or Join. Just tap Start Meeting. Once you are inside the meeting, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on Share. Just tap on the Share icon. A pop-up will appear asking to start share screen. Tap on Start broadcast or screen. There will be 3-second countdown. After that, everything on your screen will be visible to other people in the meeting. Now you can go to the other app, show a website or display or document, whatever you want to share. When you are done, return to the Zoom app and tap Stop Share or Stop Broadcast at the top of your screen. This will end the screen sharing and bring you back to the meeting. And that's it. You have just learned how to share your screen in the Zoom Workplace mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.